You haven't dared to try red lips until now? Then you absolutely must try it now, because we have created the perfect red for you, and I guarantee you will draw all eyes on you. I start with Eileen using the Radiant Light Foundation, here in the shade 3 Neutral. You can easily use your fingers, a beauty blender, or like me, a brush for application. I start in the middle of the face and apply the foundation from the inside out. The result is an even complexion with a natural glow. Since the red lips look, as the name suggests, focuses on the lips, I want to create a subtle eye makeup. For this, I only use the 3 light shades from the Perfect Eyeshadow collection. To create a neutral base, I spread the shade Matte Cream over the entire eyelid. Starting at the outer corner of the eye, I now apply the shade Metallic Rust and blend it to the crease on the movable lid. For a soft transition, I then apply the shade Metallic Rose on the rest of the movable lid. Along the lower lash line, I now apply the shade Metallic Rust. To make the eye appear larger, I blend it only up to the middle. To have a soft transition to the inner corner of the eye, I use the shade Metallic Rose here. With our Intense Effect mascara, you can achieve perfectly curled lashes. Due to the shape of the brush and the intense color release, I only need to brush a few times over the lashes to achieve a great result. The Shaping Eyebrow Gel delivers what it promises. With the small brush, I can not only fill in small gaps but also shape the eyebrows perfectly. To accentuate Eileen's facial contours, I use our contouring liquid bronzer. I prefer to apply the creamy texture with a brush, but you can of course use a beauty blender as well. I distribute the bronzer under the cheekbones, along the forehead, as well as along the jawline. With the silky liquid blush, we now give the cheeks a touch of freshness and color for a vibrant complexion. The silky texture is super easy to apply. Our glowy liquid highlighter is an absolute must-have for every signature look. I apply the highlighter here with my fingers on the cheekbones. For that special something, you can also apply our highlighter to the inner corner of the eyes. After we have now created our flawless glowy look, I want to reduce the shine, especially in the T-zone. For this, I use our flawless fixing powder. The result is a velvety matte finish. For the red lips look, we use the soft lip liner and silky matte lipstick in the shade Pure Red. The fine tip of the soft lip liner allows me to trace the lip contours very precisely, which is super important with the intense color. I start from the outside and trace the contour inwards. After tracing the lip contours, I use the lipstick to fill in the rest of the lips with color. The result is a great look that will surely draw all eyes on you.